guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm actually gonna be doing this look right here, and I love it. I'm obsessed with it, to be honest with y'all. Oh my god, I'm like not using my hands, and it's like kind of hard because I know I use my hands a lot while I talk, and I'm just like trying not to use them so much. But yeah guys, I love this look, and it was honestly, this tutorial was very like, I wasn't talking, guys. I don't know, like I feel so shy on camera. I don't know why, but I wanted to record this for you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy it. So if you guys want to know how to get this look, then go ahead and keep on watching. So I'm gonna prime with this L'Oreal concealer, you know, whatever. I'm just priming it all over. Okay guys, so I'm gonna start off with my eyeshadow, and I know I'm using this like really old palette, but it's the Morphe 35B palette. You guys can use honestly any pink eyeshadow. This is just the one that I'm gonna be using. I really just don't have any other pink eyeshadow. I mean, I do, but I like this one. I don't know. So I'm just gonna put that all over my crease, because this pink is just one crease shade. The rest are on the cut crease. Oh my god, I was like, oh my god, do I have concealer on my chin? But yeah, so I'm just blending this pink eyeshadow on the crease just until I am a little satisfied or whatever. So through this, I am just gonna cut my crease. I'm gonna speed through it because, like, I mean, there's really not much to say, but I'm using the same L'Oreal concealer, and I'm just using a flat brush. So yeah. Okay, so in this part, this is where I kind of like mix colors for this inner shade right here, because I don't have that shade. So I'm gonna go into the Daisy Marquez palette and the Take Me to Brazil. So these are both VH cosmetic palettes, and I'm gonna take Daisy, which is this Tiffany, I don't know what kind of blue. Oh my gosh, guys, if you guys can see my eye and you're probably like wondering what it is, I do not know. Something happened to my eye. I'm thinking a vein popped in my eye. I don't know. It's just bothering it now. It's just like kind of like swelling up a bit, but whatever, where it's not stopping us. And I'm gonna use this lime green shade right there, and I'm just gonna mix them, and I'm gonna put that in my inner corner. Then I'm gonna use this yellow from the Daisy Marquez palette, and it's called Flower. This yellow right here. Guys, oh my god, I don't know what it is, but like I don't know, like my expressions, like I sometimes just have no expression, guys. Like if you guys think I'm a serious person, I'm really not. I just never have expression. Like I'm just oh, okay. Like I'm like, I don't know, I'm just like that. They say I'm like the, what's her face, Courtney, because like she hardly has an expression, and it's like, girl, a girl. And then for the orange, I'm gonna be going in the Take Me to Brazil palette, and I'm gonna be using this orange right here, and I'm just putting this right here. And right now I'm gonna blend them all together. I'm just placing them, you know, where I want it. But not least, we are gonna put red, but I'm gonna go back into the Morphe palette, and I'm gonna use this red right here. Oh my god, it's so messy. I like throw all my glitters on here, but I'm gonna use this red right here, and I'm gonna use that in the inner corner where the orange is. So we're just gonna blend it into the orange. Okay, so I finished the eyes, and I don't know, guys. I don't know how to feel about this eyes. I just wanted to do something different, something that I usually don't do, something colorful, but not the colors that I do. Whatever, especially for a YouTube video. You guys know I do like neutrals all the time on YouTube. But whatever, I'm gonna go into foundation, and I'm gonna be using the Maybelline full cover. I don't know, whatever this foundation is. I forgot the name, but it's like I've used it so many times I forgot the name already. So I'm just gonna be using this. I'm gonna be using this foundation, guys. You guys know this is my favorite foundation. It has been this past year since I discovered it. And yeah, guys, I know I have been out for quite some time. I'm really gonna go in a video talking about why. I don't really want to go much on depth in like one of this video. I'm really gonna talk about it in a separate video. So yeah, but I'm just applying this foundation all over. This I'm gonna like do a little disclaimer. I know this foundation looks a little lighter, but it is really my skin color. Like, I don't know, like it really is. So I just cream contour a little bit with this foundation because since it appears a little lighter, I just try to like work with it. So I just cream contour a bit, and I just love the way like cream contour has been looking on me, to be honest with you. So I'm not gonna use now gonna use this L'Oreal Full Wear Concealer. Guys, this is my first time using this. It's my sister's, and I've heard she likes it. I don't know, I've never tried this, so I mean, we'll see how I feel about it. Oh my god, that hurts. Remember I told you guys that my freaking eye, something's up with it. It hurts so bad. So I'm like, barely could blend right there. But guys, like, I really do miss being on YouTube. I really do. Oh my god, sorry about that. But I needed my break. I needed my time off, and I'm like finally back and happy. I could do YouTube now. I could do it if I want. But yeah, I don't know. You guys let me know what kind of video suggestions you guys would like to see. I'm not gonna be doing I mean, I am gonna be doing makeup, but I want to start doing makeup videos also, me doing makeup on people, because I do makeup on people too, not just on myself or whatever. So that's what I want to do, is start doing videos of me doing people's makeup as well. And yeah, off camera. And you guys know I use my air spun. What the fuck was I gonna do? So I'm gonna set my entire face now, and I'm gonna do it same thing with air spun, just with the brush. I sometimes bake my face, and you guys know I do that. I've done that a lot on camera, but I stopped doing that, and I started doing that whenever I just like go out and I'm gonna like use my makeup all day, like literally be wearing full face all day. Then I will do that, but other than that, I'll just set it like this, just for a. So before I put my lashes on, I was gonna apply this NYX glitter liner. It's the silver one. Oh my god, I'm like completely lost right now, but yeah, it's a silver one, and I was gonna put it on my crease. So for lashes, I am going to be applying Dream Lashes in Fancy Babe. And these are just the way they look. They like are kind of simple-ish. These are from my lash brand. These are our most simplest style that we have. And honestly, it still can be used for dramatic looks. I love them. I just love it. I love it. So if you guys don't follow the Instagram for Dream Lashes, I will be linking it in the description down below, so you guys can go and follow and go ahead and get some lashes, because they are bomb, dude. Like, they are bomb. So I'm gonna be using the butter bronzer by Physicians Formula. Mine broke, so I had to put it in here. So this is like, okay, so I know they have 3 shades. This is the medium one, not the lightest, not the darkest. I know it's the medium one, but I'm just using this bronzer. This is such a beautiful bronzer, guys, and I'm just using a light hand literally to apply it, and it looks so pretty. Nah, but guys, I'm like really looking at this look and I love it. I feel like that glitter just gave it a pop. These lashes is everything. I am just obsessed with this look. I'm glad I filmed it. Oh my god, I was not gonna film this. I wasn't gonna film this. I'm so glad I did. I have a video for you guys up. No, I honestly, I don't know. I just been out of it. I just been out of the game, and like I said, I'm gonna explain that whole thing in another video. I mean, there's not really much, but it's just not something I want to like talk about while I'm getting ready, because I'll get distracted and I cannot multitask for crap. Finally, so for blush, I'm gonna be using this. It's a little mini blush, but it is the NARS Orgasm blush. It is so freaking beautiful, and I'm just gonna apply this blush. I love blush so no, I really like blush, and this blush is so beautiful. For highlight, I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in Molten Gold. You guys know this is, yes, still my favorite highlight. You know, no setting spray or whatever, and it's still so shiny. This is a really pretty highlight, I'm not gonna lie. Hey guys, thank you guys so much for watching my video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. It was really fun to do. I don't know, I felt like it was finally something to get back into my groove of YouTube. I missed it so much, and so yeah, this is my makeup tutorial, and I'm gonna be doing some other types of videos. I just needed to get back into it. I was still a little shy on camera, and I'm just like, what the heck, why am I shy? But I'm not shy anymore. But whatever, guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it. Subscribe if you guys haven't already. Click the notification bell if you guys haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video.